Welcome to this video on transformative meditation techniques for inner peace. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the chaos of everyday life? Meditation is a powerful tool that can help you find serenity amidst the noise. We will guide you through techniques to help cultivate peace within yourself. Let's begin by finding a quiet, comfortable space. Sit comfortably, either on the floor or in a chair, keeping your back straight. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, hold it for a moment, then breathe out. This is the first step, focusing on your breath. Feel the cool air entering your nostrils, filling your lungs, and then exiting again. Notice the natural rhythm of your breath. Don't force it. Now, let's move to mantra meditation. Choose a mantra that resonates with you. It can be a single word, phrase, or sound. Repeat it silently in your mind. Imagine your mantra as an anchor, holding you in the present moment. Next, we'll introduce mindfulness meditation. Focus on the sensations you're experiencing right now. Feel the weight of your body against the floor or chair. Notice the subtle sounds and smells around you. Observe these sensations without judgment. Let's now explore loving-kindness meditation. Think of someone you love. Visualize them being happy and healthy. Send them positive thoughts and wishes. Feel your heart fill with love and compassion. Extend this compassion from your loved ones to yourself, your community, and the world. Finally, let's explore visualization meditations. Imagine a peaceful place, real or imaginary. Feel yourself there. Visualize yourself dealing with a challenging situation with calmness and grace. End your meditation by coming back to your breath. Slowly open your eyes and bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Remember, meditation is a journey, not a destination. Practice daily for the best results. Thank you for being here. May you find inner peace through these transformative meditation techniques. Please like the video and subscribe if you found any value in its contents. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video.